Alright guys, here's your spelling pretest for Monday, March 30th. We're going to be working on hard and soft C. So make sure you have a pencil and a piece of paper ready. So we are going to be making corrections at the end of this. So number one. Number one is city. The city looks beautiful at night. City. Number two is nice. The girl was very nice at the grocery store. Nice. Number three is cider. I like to drink hot cider when it is cold outside. Cider. Number four is pencil. Make sure you are writing with a pencil, not a pen. Number five is spicy. The food was too spicy to eat. Spicy. Number six is fancy. Sometimes I like to dress fancy and go out to dinner. Fancy. Number seven is face. His face is making a funny shape. Face. Number eight is peace. The peace sign is a safe way to say hello. Peace. Number nine is camp. I like to camp in the summer. Camp. Number 10 is cute. Look how cute the kitty is. Cute. Number 11 is taco. This taco looks delicious. Taco. Number 12 is bacon. As good as that taco looks, this bacon looks better. Bacon. Number 13 is card. Which card do you have? Card. Number 14 is cold. It is cold outside. Cold. And number 15 is cookie. I will eat a cookie when I finish my work. Cookie. Alright guys, I'm going to run through those one more time just to make sure you guys got them all. So number one is city. Number two is nice. Number three is cider. 4 is pencil. 5 is spicy. 6 is fancy. 7 is face. 8 is peace. 9 is camp. 10 is cute. 11 is taco. 12 is bacon. 13 is card. 14 is cold. And 15 is cookie. Alright guys, go ahead and go on to Teams and check out the correct spellings and fix it if you made any mistakes.